The F-35 stealth jet has been called the most expensive weapons system in history, and its development was beset by multiple delays before it was deemed combat-ready. It is touted as the future of military aviation, a lethal and versatile aircraft that combines stealth capabilities. Supersonic speed, extreme agility and state-of-the-art sensor fusion technology, according to Lockheed Martin, the plane's primary contractor. The first reported F-35 combat mission was carried out by Israel in May, when Israeli Air Force, F-35A fighters participated in strikes on unspecified targets. The Marine Corps variant, the F-35B, was the first to be declared combat-ready. Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni became the first overseas base to operate the F-35 last year.